Hey all, today in this show we are going to see Batik silk sarees. Very soft, lightweight and shiny fancy type Batik silk sarees. We'll start seeing the collection. The first one is black and red color combination. This is the design you get all over the saree. These are a different kind of sarees. This comes with soft silk with little shiny texture, you can see. So the quality of the silk, it's very flowy and it's not transparent as well, so it looks very good on the skin. This is Batik sarees. All over the saree you will be having the floral design like this. You can have a closer look of the design with the red color flowers. Blouse also you will be getting in the plain black color. Blouse in that color, plain black color with the border to the hand. You'll get the border near the arm, so that is the border and this is the blouse. So yeah, this is how it looks. This looks very good on the single pleat. Okay, so this is the pallu. Also random leaf and floral design you will be getting. So this is the pallu. So these are all handmade. So these are not printed sarees. They design it with the hand. So it takes lot of time to work as well. These are all handmade sarees and our own production as well. This is Batik silk saree number 1 in black and red color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. It comes with the full monochrome color. People who love black, they can pick it. So this is how it looks. A different style of saree with a very good soft quality cloth. So the price of this is 1250. Yeah, this is saree number 1. Saree number 2 is in the nice bright yellow and the green color combination. This is a kind of dust green color combination. See, you can see this. So this is the border with the white color batik, this handmade work done. So this is not any embroidery or anything. So this is the one they do with this mainam ante this candle thing. They draw it with the hand and completely put the design also with hand, and they dye these colors. So this is a nice bright yellow with the green color combination. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting in the green color. Blouse. So the blouse is in the plain color. So this is the blouse. For the end of the blouse you will be getting the border with the white hands. So this is the blouse. So this is how it looks, yellow with the green color combination. So in this only we have 3 pieces. We have little limited stock. So this is how it looks. A very pretty and beautiful color collection of sarees and beautiful different kind of work also this is. Okay, this is the pallu. Very soft and soothing quality on the skin, and it feels very good on the skin as well. It is not what do you say, it is not rough kind of silk. It is very soft and you love the quality of the silk on your body. Okay, this is yellow with the green color combination. Price is 1250. Next is saree number 3. This is completely in the dark navy blue color combination with the turquoise blue color flowers all over the saree. With the white and the turquoise blue color flowers all over the saree. This is how you get the design. Okay. This is also a full monochrome saree as like that of the black color that I have shown first. Okay, this is how it looks. Blouse ikkada unda. Blouse. So that's the plain blouse. You will be getting a plain blouse. Atradu. Ikkada pattuko. So this is the plain blouse with the border you will be getting. Ila pattukundi correct ninga anbiyatle ante. So this is the border you will be getting it for the hands, and the rest of the blouse is in the plain color. So this is a dark navy blue monochrome color. So this is the blouse. Okay, same color blouse you will be getting, and the pallu also you will be having the design like this. So this is the pallu. Also you will be having full batik design here with the white and the this turquoise green color turquoise blue color flowers all over. This looks very elegant if you drape it properly. So this is how it looks. Nice monochrome, full dark navy blue with the white and the turquoise blue color combination. Okay, this is also for 1250. Nice soft silk material. This is the pallu. Next is in the methi green color combination. Methi green with nice white and pink color flower combination. This is a very subtle and a very decent color combination. Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks. Nice methi green with the pink color combination. So the blouse, this is also a monochrome color combination. So that is the blouse you will be getting. This is the border for the hands you will be getting. So plain blouse and with the border to the hands. This is how it looks. This is also nice monochrome color combination. On methi green, the design is with the white and the pink flower. So it looks more beautiful and elegant. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu you will be getting. Yeah, this is the pallu with the flowers. Yeah, this is how it looks when you drape it and put it on the steps. This is methi green color. Methi green color with the pink floral combination. The price is 1250. Next. రెండింటికి పెద్ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి కలర్లో కాదు ఓకే ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను సార్ సో దిస్ ఇస్ నైస్ purple color combination, purple and the white. This is also a monochrome color combination. You'll be having the design with a big leaf like this. So this is the pallu which I am showing. So on the body you'll be having a cross design like this. So one big flower stem and another leaves and next flower. So this is the body. Nice bright beautiful purple color combination. This is purple violet or violet purple, you can call it as violet purple combination, violet purple with the white color combination. So this is also a monochrome saree, full top to bottom you will be having the same. So this is the blouse. So this is the blouse you will be getting. This is the border that you will be getting to the hands to the blouse. So this is how it looks. Yes, this is how it looks. Violet color batik silk saree. The price is again 1250. The pallu I have already shown you. This is the pallu. Pallu is with a big leaf peacock feather kind of design in the pallu. So this is in the violet color. The price is 1250. So the next one is in the colorful pattern. So this comes with the two kinds of work. So this is called the batik work that you do with the white color or in the pink flowers or white colors all over the saree you see. So in the middle this is tie and dye, or you can call it as shibori print in the middle body. So for the saree, on both the sides for the border you will be having the batik print. In middle of the saree you will be having this shibori or tie and dye print. Okay, this is how it looks. This is a very colorful and trending design saree. Rendu same kaadu kada. So this is how it looks. On both the sides of the body you will be having the border. So this is how it is. You can drape it on single pleat as well. So it looks something like this. You can definitely wash it. There were queries that as this is handmade done, can you be normal wash? It can be a normal wash only. So this is how it looks. A combination of this batik and tie and dye work. So if you drape it, if you put the steps also, It will look very nice because on both the sides of border in middle you'll be getting this shibori work done. This is how it will look when you put the steps. It's very beautiful one. This is one of my personal favorites as well. Okay, this is the blouse. It comes in the emerald green again with the border. So this is how it is. This is the blouse you will be getting, and the saree is this. So on the body you will be getting the polka dots as well, along with that shibori work done. So yeah, pallu. So this is the pallu. On the emerald green you will be getting full batik work done pallu. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also just for 1250. Next is in the dark lavender color. Before we have seen a purple, very little color difference is there. So this is dark lavender that is in the purple color. So little shade difference is there, and the work is also different. There you have got a long lines of flowers and peacock feathers something. So on this you will be getting the butta. So here you will be getting design like this. So here also you will be getting a cross design. So this is the cross design you will be getting for all over the saree like this. Okay, this is in the dark lavender or the light purple, you can term it as. So this is the pallu. Pallu again you will be getting in this big mango feather design kind of thing. So this is the very beautiful pallu. This is the pallu. This is the blouse. So this is also a monochrome color. You should definitely try a monochrome color. Either you can go with the same kind of same blouse that you have got in the saree, or you can try a contrast color combination that will look even more good. So this is how it looks. This is the saree and this is the blouse. Pallu also I have shown. So this is in the dark lavender color. Yes, this is how it looks. This dark lavender, here it is contrasted with white color, so it looks more beautiful. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1250. So the next one is in the bottle green color combination. This is also one of my favorite colors. Next
Orange.
No. So this is in the bottle green color combination. Bottle green with the orange color work done. So this is the pallu. Okay. Bottle green is also very beautiful color. Yes, this is how it looks. Bottle green with the orange color combination. So this is the design you get on the saree here. So if you are trying this, definitely you should opt for steps, because this beautiful flower or the star design that exactly comes on your shoulder part when you drape it. So it looks like this. So again the blouse so the blouse is this. Blouse you will get a border. So this is again a monochrome color, full in bottle green. I have more of monochrome colors and less in color combinations. So you can pair it up with any orange blouse to look it more brighter. So this is in the bottle green color combination, and this is the pallu. Pallu, you have got a very rich pallu. So this is the pallu design in the dark green with the orange color combination. Yes, this is in the bottle green. The price of this is also 1250. Next is like people's favorite color combination. This is grey with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. See, so this is the design you get all over the saree. Similar kind of design which you have seen already. Lines design with the flowers and the leaves. So this is a very pretty color. This is in the grey with the pink color combination. It's a very subtle, it's a very fancy color as well. Very rare color combination as well. Those who like light colors or, subtle colors, cool colors, they can pick this. very nice and a beautiful color. It is gray with light baby pink color combination. So this is the color this is the exact work that I am telling, in the baby pink color combination. So this is a, so the body color is in the combination of gray and onion pink. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting with the polka dots and the leaves with in the white and baby pink color combination. Blouse adi akade unda. So this is also a monochrome color. So the blouse you will be getting it in the same design. You can pair it up with a pink color blouse. It will look absolutely beautiful. So this is how it looks. This is my favorite too. Okay, we'll put the steps. Yes, how beautiful it is if you drape it. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1250. This is the mix of gray with onion pink with the baby pink color flower designs all over. Okay, this is the sari and this is the pallu. This is how it looks. Okay, the last one in this catalog, orange and blue color combination. This is one of the brightest pick. So in this only two saris are left in this color combination. So this is bright orange with the violet color combination. So this is where is it? Yeah, this is the border, bright orange with the violet color combination, and this is the pallu. So this is the bright color. So whoever wants or likes bright color, they can pick this. So this is how you get in the pallu. So yeah, so this is the pallu. So this is the orange with the violet color combination. Yes, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1250. So this is the last sari in this catalog for this video. So yes, this is how it looks. So the price of this is 1250, as I already told. Whoever wants to book any kind of saris, so definitely you should try a batik silk sari. So these are very good for casual wear and small outings, very comfortable. Once you buy the sari, you will definitely tell me about the quality of the sari, how good and how nicely it settles on your skin. And yeah, yes, who I want to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me, and that's all. Thank you.